guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a haul video because I've ordered so much stuff. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you guys. 1 second. Just look at this. I've ordered so much stuff. So it's a haul video. And before we start this haul, I would like to tell you guys about the new Samsung phone, which is the Samsung M31s. So Samsung was kind enough to send in this phone to me, and I am loving this phone, guys. First, let's appreciate the color. It's so beautiful. Just look at it. Right, Sana? Right, Sana? Right, Sana? And then let's look at the phone. So this phone has 4 cameras, and the coolest feature of this phone is, I'm gonna show it to you guys. So if you have to click a picture like this, just wave. I have to be in focus. 1 second, I'm gonna show it to you. You just wave like this and see. It clicks on its own. You just wave like this, and it clicks on its own. So I think that this feature is really cool, and I'm loving the camera because it makes you look so good. So this phone was sent to me by them, and I'm just loving this phone. Right into this haul video now. So I ordered a lot of stuff. Acha, pehle about my look. So I am in a suit and I've tied my hair up, and I have a lot of makeup on my face. It's because I was shooting a Indian makeup look. And once in 60 years, I can do this eyeliner, okay? I am bad. I suck at putting an eyeliner. And when I did it, I was like, chalo, ab makeup ka use to ho. So which is why I'm recording this video. Anyway, let's get right into this video. The first box that I have is from Nykaa. Of course, I've opened all the boxes because I was very excited. So the first thing that I have is from Too Faced. It's their Better Than Sex eyeliner. Then I ordered a mini mascara for myself, the Better Than Sex mascara, and I ordered this kit which has a lip balm, so cute, and a lipstick inside. See, so cute, no? I really love this kit, and the lipstick is so cute. See, I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys. That's the shade. Next box is again from Nykaa, and I ordered the Gold Light Fix It spray because I'm running out of my pink light one and it's almost over. So I restocked it, and I ordered this, and I ordered this highlighter. I really like this highlighter. I have so many highlighters. I think Mama's gonna scold me. And I ordered this highlighter from MAC. Then I restocked my lipstick because my lipstick is finished. So I restocked my Relentlessly Red lipstick, and I'm gonna show you the shade. This is my lipstick, and it's such a beautiful color, guys. I love this color, and just look at it. It's so beautiful. It matches my nail paint. So I ordered that, and these are 3 things I got from MAC. Then I ordered, again, a Nykaa box. I ordered this fixing powder, loose powder actually. It's not a fixing powder. It's a loose powder from K by Katrina. I wanted to try this brand since a long time, so I ordered its powder, and that's the packaging, and this is how it looks like. So I really don't understand that this lid is quite deep inside, and oh, okay. Okay, so that's very less powder, and I'm actually not happy with the amount of powder in it. I'm going to remove the sticker. the quantity of this powder is really less. Like they took how much? I think 800 rupees or 750 rupees for this, and the quantity that they've given is like pretty less. So I'm not happy with the quantity, and I'm gonna review this for you guys. So I'm gonna use it and then I'm gonna review it for you. Then I ordered stuff from Sephora, so it just came in. I ordered the Cover FX set. It has a travel setting powder, a travel size primer, and it has and it has a spray also. So I really like this set because when I travel, like abhi to kahin nahi ja sakti, but for future when I travel I can take this along. So this is the Cover FX loose powder, and see, this is a mini size, okay, and they are giving so much quantity, and look at this. I really don't like the quantity. It's really bad. Anyway, so the Cover FX loose powder, this is the travel size. Then they gave me a setting spray, travel size setting spray, and this is a proper Cover FX primer. It's not a travel size, it's a full size product. So I'm happy with this buy. It's really good and value for money. The next thing that I ordered from Sephora is the Cover FX Correct Click. It's the correcting stick for your face, and it's in the shade green because I usually get a lot of allergy, as you can see, like red spots. So green covers, it's very small and very tiny, it's super cute. So green actually covers your red spots. So that's the stick.
Ordered 3 eyeliners, eyeshadows, eye crayons from Sugar. So they just arrived and I'm going to show you. So the first one is in the shade Garnet Glitz. I think it's gold. I don't know if you would be able to see it. Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, guys. I don't know if, see? It's beautiful. Then the second one is, one second. I'll just put this inside. Second one is Ruby Rapture. It's the red one. It's a red shade. Ooh, nice. See? Then the third one is, one second. I've never done a haul video, so I actually don't know how things go. This is my first one, so excuse me if I'm doing something wrong. Then the third one is, ooh, this is very pretty, guys. This is really very pretty. I'm going to use it all day, like whenever I'm out. Look. So cute, no? I like it. Good purchase. Then,
Guys, on to the last thing. I always wanted this. It's so beautiful and I'm so happy that I finally have it. Okay, so now I'm going to show it to you guys. Ta-da! Anastasia Beverly Hills kit. So I really wanted this. Like, I cannot even say it enough, but I really wanted this and I got it. So that's how we open it. It comes in a brand new box. Ooh, it's so pretty. And it's so glittery. Like, look at it. So glittery. See? I love it. And now we're going to open it. So we open it like this. And dun 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 dun. Oh my god, I love it. So it has 10 shades. 10 shades of lipsticks. And guys, it's beautiful. Like, I tried on all the lipsticks up to its light because I washed them off. And then now we're gonna open the lipstick. So that's how we open it, and like that. And now I'm gonna show you my favorite shade. So first of all, let's appreciate this packaging. Like, just look at this packaging, guys. It's beautiful. It's super beautiful. The packaging is awesome. and I just wanted it because of the packaging, because I love it and I love glitter and I love everything about this box. So I'm going to show you my favorite shade. You'll think, yeah, pagal hai Shivagi, what a stupid lady she is. This is my favorite shade. It's a bit red and a bit brown. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Go and subscribe abhi ke abhi right now.